There are way too many videos online showing you how to do kayak hull repairs that are just showing the incorrect way of repairing kayaks. That whole rack over there is full of kayaks. I've got kayak down there. I've got boat here, plastic boat over there. This is one of the things that I've been doing for many years. Everybody does one kayak repair and does a video and shows how to do it, and not one of them is right. Well, maybe a couple of them are right, but some of the more popular ones are really bad videos. This right here was something hot fell on this kayak, and it didn't go all the way through, but I mean, I didn't put any wire mesh on it because it just needed a surface patch. But here I'll show you a few tips on when you're, I'm not going to do it on this one because this one doesn't have any repairs, but what you do is, say you got a hole here, you first patch the hole, and hot plastic sticks to hot plastic, so you got to heat both surfaces. You can't just lay plastic on here and then melt it on, because as soon as something hits it, it's going to pop right off. So you have to heat the surface, heat both surfaces, and make sure that they're sticking together. And the best tool to use to repair kayaks is a wood burning tool, because it's pointing straight down and the head is flat on it. The tool they sell from Harbor Freight points down, but the head is angled. So after you've used it for about 30 minutes, it's the head, as you're pressing it, it's going to start bending, and if you try to straighten it, it's going to snap right off. The next thing would be when you put wire mesh on it. I just use aluminum window screen, and I always make it oval shaped. I'll round off the edges so that it doesn't have any sharp edges on it, and I take the iron and I will melt the plastic, the wire mesh into the plastic so that it's actually bonded to the plastic. Then I'll put another layer of plastic over that. And I do it the same way. I make sure that both surfaces, the surface is hot, and I'm melting the plastic. So I'll press it and flip it, the little piece, and until I'm pulling the iron off and the plastic is sticking to the other plastic. That way I know both surfaces are hot. And afterwards you can heat it. See, the whole hull of this kayak was scraped up like this, and I heated it with a heat gun and then rubbed it with a piece of PVC. This is actually a PVC pipe that I heated. I cut one side, heated it, flattened it out, and that's what I'll use to press down the. I mean, usually just by heating it, it'll actually make the surface look good. But this was really scratched up, worse than this, and look how nice it looks now. But I've been doing kayak repairs and plastic repairs for years. I mean, you can see all the kayaks I have. Like I said, that there's a kayak up there. There's one on each side. There's one on each side there, one in the middle, one on the bottom, and then this big one. And that's not to mention the other 20 or 30 that I've bought, repaired, and sold. And the best plastic to use for kayak repair is little tykes and playschool toys. Look, I've got every freaking color you could think of. I've got white, I've got beige, I've got black, blue, green, red, yellow, orange. There's some more over there. And if you need purple, mix some blue and some red together, you know. But these are just some tips for kayak repair. I'm not going to show you. If you want to see how I do it, watch some of my videos. Thanks for watching. Just stop making videos if you haven't done it. If you haven't done it enough, just because you did it once and it worked doesn't mean it's going to hold. These are some screenshots of my YouTube channel. Give you an idea of some of the things I've done with kayaks. This is only scratching the surface. I've probably done way over 50 kayak repairs and sales. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and send me $1.